Go again.
Jump.
Look at him! Tiny little flies. Oh yeah.
Jump.
That turns them all into little poops. I've never really used the cleaver before. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna get hit then. I just jumped then.
Jump.
But look at this. It's like, it's cool because I can sort of like get extra damage. I can almost, it's almost like a 2 times damage up if I line them up, right? Does it work on the bosses? I'm gonna try it.
Jump. Jump.
Oh my god, it does. 500 IQ strats. Alright. Thank you for that. I'll take that. Speed. Glorious speed.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Not really anything I want there. Lol. No. Don't trust no fires. Okay.
Jump. Jump.
Oh boy, the destruction. They're so small, those spiders. They're already small, and when you halve them, they're even smaller.
It's pretty good.
Bye-bye, Cleaver. It was nice knowing you. Not a bad item, but like, Smelter is way better. Don't you do it. I might just bypass this one and go for the angel room on the next one. Meh.
Hello there.
Whoa, he disappeared from where he died. Birthright. Die! Oh my god, they came out fast. What? Did he blow himself up? I think he blew himself up. Okay, we got Binky.
Holy.
Grail, not bad. I sort of I wanna blow this guy up, get a bit more on the old angel chance. What? That looked like it hit me. Okay. Alright, let's just keep on keeping on. Woohoo! He got some hang time. I would like this, but I need some red hearts to eat.
Cookie.
Oh, yes! Rainbows! In we go. There's the sack. Sack acquired. We've acquired the sack. There's some damage. Yes! Alright, now we spawn this. There we go. Boom. Done. He's on fire! Bow, bow. We got a devil deal. What's in here?
Ew!
Meh.
Nope.
Oh well, I'm out. I want to try and get to the boss rush and we can pinch a little item. I should actually go looking for the shop. It's probably worth it. Because if I can spend my money, get some more damage up.
I will become back my money.
Yep, what he said. Whoa, he just jumped straight up and down. Oh, look at him, he looks so sad. Why won't you play with me?
Holy Jesus.
Lol. As if that hit me. Alright, well, let's just fucking go now. Man, Delirium ain't gonna know what's hit him. Frozen, frozen, frozen. There it is. I didn't even get my item room, did I? I'm going back. I mean, if anyone's got 50,000 points,
That's a spicy meatball.
go ahead. The thing is, with Tainted Lost, the run is like never won until you've actually won, you know? Bye. There we go. Take this. Oh.
Ew!
We got jibbed. Purity? PhD? These are sort of meh. Yeah, I'm out.
The fool.
Oh, we just got 12.6 damage. Nice. Oh, I hate these guys so much. Fuck you! Are you serious? The fucking tag teamers. Hello? Bye bye. That was one beam cleared that entire room. Frozen in time. Okay, bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Hello.
It's a stone.
63.1! And look how fast I shoot. Okay. We have a little bit of damage. A little bit. Yay, more keys. Yay, more stuff. Yay, more stuff. Yay, more stuff.
Choose your dueling weapon.
I choose sandwich.
The red cable goes on the right nipple.
40.9 base damage. 73.76 damage in... Look at the size of that fire. Oh my god. This is one of the most powerful runs I've ever had. You've been lodestoned. You've been hit by... You've been struck by... lodestone. Where's my Star of Bethlehem? Is it chilling in there? It's fucking chilling in there, isn't it? Give me my flame. Fuck! Oh god, what the fuck is going on with that? What the hell? Okay, alright. Spawn more flies, please. Good boy. Oh shit. He's doing the attack! He's doing the attack! Oh no! Oh god, what is happening? Oh no, 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 this is bad. What the hell? I'm chilling here. Don't you do it. Woo-hoo-hoo! He's gonna start shooting the eyeballs now, I think. Yep. There he goes. Oh, dearie me. Ah, fuck. Okay. Alright, well, this is Delirium. I'm just gonna go straight in. There's no point in going and fighting the other bosses. We're just gonna destroy him. Oh my god. Oh shit. Shit! Wow, he's almost dead, lol. Don't you come near me. I froze him! Like, look, when I get in here, like, look, I can't... See how, like, when I'm trying to do it in here, it doesn't work? But I can go... Ah! Alright, what we got? Hemoptysis. 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 Hemoptysis? Hemoptysis? Yeah, I don't know. Can't pronounce it.